Hold on, let me check your rear view mirror. It look like one of the I check your rear view mirror. Now when they coughing up, I can't see them in front of me and I have to check your mirror.
Yo, I wickedest down that mirror.
Beat and teach, you know? Big up Omar.
They have all the good stuff.
Racers in quarantine. I just want to say before we start, big up to our sponsors, Kenty Racing, Jamaica Race Drivers Club, WAP Performance, Boosting, Horsepower in a Bottle, Zidage Performance, and Massive Auto Parts. Yes, so big up everybody tuning in. Chuku, the man known as Mr. Neville Hogg, aka Chuku. Now, Chuku, how you get the name there, Chuku? How the origin, how the name they go?
Well, I want to tell you, Karen, from ever since growing up, I got that name from a baby stage. So it's just a name that while growing up.
Straight.
As a parents, them just give me that name now and say, yeah man, Chuku. You know?
All right, well, how that go, Chuku?
It just sticks, so I just work with it, you know?
Makes sense. All right. Well, of course, Chuku has followed you from your youth until now, and you can, well, Chuku is a brand. You know, you have your garage and your performance stuff, which under the title CRD, Chuku Racing Development.
Yeah.
You know, let us backtrack before we touch, you know, the more recent stuff. What age you develop a passion though, Chuku, for motorsport?
Well, carry on from going to school, you know. From a touch teen, it was a car thing from there on.
Yeah.
Go to school, come back home, at the garage with my cousin. That's how I start from. And from that, even at school, Bridget can tell you, in all of my book, them I pay a car draw. Draw a whole heap of car. Type everything.
What kind of car you used to love them time they do?
Well, I want to tell you, back in ideas, I like Capri we used to drive, you know, my cousin car.
Yeah.
Well, Skoda, think I'm my uncle, which is Len. Me and him always got track. Him used to drive the Escort. Big up a boss, you know?
Straight.
Yeah, man, Mr. Brown. And that car, him bust me upon a Capri.
Yeah.
Yes, man. Way back
the
when.
Capri, which engine did come in a Capri them?
3 liter, man, V6. And then they have one with a 2 liter single overhead cam, push rod. 32, 36, Weber carburetor. Them thing that we start from.
Seen. And you used to mess around with it, like tuning it and try to get more horsepower and thing.
Well, at them time there, when I really focused on horsepower, you know, we did there as a young youth there around him. Start off
pretty car thing.
No, man, we start off that garage. The first thing we could do, like, get the car for wash until start moving from. You know? Can't forget one day, you know, drive the car up on the road, you know. Is this customer, I went by older about the part shop with her. She had a CRX. And she came back, she came at the shop, leave the CRX, and she drove the Capri to Oldham. And then her mom left the shop, and she had was to stay in, and she asked me if I could drive the car. I said, yeah, man, I drive it all the while, man. But I tell her, I said, in the garage, you know. Just me, drive it, come down, and Len was surprised and I look and, you know?
Yeah.
Anyway, everybody I look and I say, yeah man, him bust on the road and now till him start, give me 1 and 2 lessons and, you know? I just can't forget one time I got drop off some invites up by Jamaica Boilers for him and come out of a cross, you know, out of the intersection right at Gutters. And wheel it up 2 times and make up a donut, you know. By the time if I reach shop, you know. Yo, you know,
Can't
so
reach.
yes, you get called, yo, where, so I said, boss, I must say driving now, you may have fall like that. Same thing you would have done, so, you know?
Yeah, man. That's youthful. I guess it's just youthful exuberance, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I think all of us, art enthusiasts who, you know, we racing now one thing. We go through that little phase there where if you have to leave from point A to point B, no matter how close it is, we have to do something.
Yeah, man.
You know, burn out one little tire, make it go or something.
Yeah, adrenaline, you know?
Yeah, man. For real. So,
from school days, they'll leave school, start the shop with him and start the Vernon field. But my first little car was a Toyota FX.
Okay.
Like about 98. And we start messing around with the first modification with to it was a manifold to take 2 downdraft 32, 36 Weber. That me used to, that thing used to run on the Capri. Couldn't put side draft them time, they couldn't get manifold feet, so that the machine shop and make it up and down the road. We also have a little stretch down a port road where a couple people that are familiar with it. But even time I finish work with, I go down there as a younger one, them and we start drag race down there, Port Esquivel.
Yeah.
That's how we start from till. It's like having that car and getting used to it. Everything is like, it was a duty for me to go down there, even me alone, and practice how to move the car off a shift. Them time that carburetor, you have to listen to any valve, then float, and you have a sweet spot where you have a shift car. You know, if you over rev, you come out of your power band, you shift too early, I think. So, at them stage where I come from.
Straight.
Yeah.
And you say, that would be your introduction to racing, right, Chuku?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I can say that try going in my memory bank, you know, and try remember which car you had the first time I hear the name Chuku. You ever Starlet?
I think you're familiar with the Starlet. Me and Spy used to be rivals.
Yes. It was a grey Starlet, right?
Yeah, man. Greenish, yeah. Spy was a green look to it.
Okay. And them time there, you and Spy used to battle it out.
Yeah, man. was looking forward when race meet come to see Chuku and Spy. That was the talk.
Yeah. What was your the best time you got from the Starlet though?
The Starlet was 12. I think it was 12-2.
12-2.
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to be back and forth in a bit, you know, so if we miss something, you know, we might take a step back, but in moving forward with the Starlet, after the Starlet, what was the next project?
Yeah, then I did the bread van, the wagon.
Yes, that was a big project for you.
Yeah, I dropped, put in this 4AG and transferred to the 7AG, running the 1800 bottom half with the 1600 head, twin cam, and we went into 11s and running good. I brought that car down into 10s, but when I went to 10s, it was a Jay-Z because I had this brethren. Enough people familiar with the Mark II. that was one of the first Jay-Z project I did.
Right.
And we became such a friend, like family, like brothers. And him say, he's like, I got this car running good with that one Jay-Z gearbox R154. And got it running good, and him say, yo, you need for switching or you need for run a Jay-Z too.
Same.
At that point, I was looking at the two Jay-Z, and him say, come in, me and him go. I think it was Mandeville. Him that Patrick, and we bought a 2J.
Yeah.
And put it on the car, went tens. And I have to big up the boss here behind the cars. From them days, Starlet, Toyota, Red Van, well, most people don't know it as.
Yeah.
Mr. More big tuner. Yeah, man.
Straight.
That man know the thing, man. Foundation too. Likewise, Uncle. You know Uncle Clevey already, a big boss. Yeah, trust me.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Big them up. And the first time, backtrack a little with the Starlet Kedron.
Yeah.
He used to run up and down a Vernam, just having a fuel cut defense, fuel pressure regulator, and it used to play around, converted it, put in a 4AG in the Starlet. I think that was the first Starlet. My Starlet was the first Starlet to be running 4AG.
Okay.
When I bought that car from Mandeville, came down with it, and beat a first burnout with the 4E on my driveway. Burn off the tire them, and by the time I park it, I just jack it up evening and start to cut the engine, because I'm not run a little engine. It was 4AG for me.
All right. Tell me something, Chuku. Back then, what was the limitation with the 4E? Why you decided to go 4AG?
Well, being in the field of as a mechanic and the experience that I got from those engines, they produce good power, but it wasn't so reliable or wasn't so strong as the 4AG to me.
Okay.
And I never really want to see in at the back of the class, you know. I'd rather go with the A more than the E. Because when you the bright one. Spy know that song there, you know. Me and him go through it. And I want to tell you, that car I never used to get no tuning until one day I went Mandeville and checked Mr. Murray. And Dave said, Chuku, how much power you think that car run? So I don't know about afraid I dyno, you know, because every time I got dyno, I always see the car blow up. And the first man, he say, yo, no worry yourself. Where do I run on the car? And that time I did a fret in the car and then I said, boy, I hope I can reach back a whole over, you know. And Murray stop down the car and start test him out and run, and I think the first pass was 200 and whole heap. And shortly after time, check timing, reset the timing, adjust the fuel pressure regulator. At the end of the day when we finish with that car there, that 300, a little under 350, it was 340 something, and yo, I was so surprised. Even though here in the car scream on the dynamo, that worry, but trust me, coming back to Old
you feel it.
But yeah, man. Yeah, man. Every minute I call him, I say, boss, I want to go back on the dynamo, and he laugh. You know, I get no, you know, nothing funny for you, not AFC, no nothing. Just the fuel pressure timing. That was it, and that car made.
And that was a stock motor, Chuku?
Bone stock supercharged motor.
Wow.
That motor have the supercharger, build a manifold, put on a turbo, intercooler, that was it. Stock supercharged injectors was in it.
Mad. And this was back in what year?
Early 2000.
See.
Early 2000. Because I have trophy as way as back as from 2001. Coming right up. Yeah.
Seeing. All right. I said that, so that's the Starlet we just talked about.
Yeah.
All right. So talking about the bread van, you know. Because I remember, in the earlier days when I would have, cause you know, I'm not really from the south side. My dad, the north side,
No, yeah.
right? And persons would have say, yo, me go Vernon Field Sunday, you know, because, you know, Chuku are down there and thing on the bread van, you know.
Yeah, man.
And trust me, my memories from them days, it would be you in your bread van and Kerai.
Yeah. Yeah, Kerai followed me shortly and got a van like my one and do the same thing.
Yeah.
Even from Starlet days, it was me and Kerai, cause I come from far, my virgin.
Yeah.
And I had a Mazda pickup, he had a Mazda pickup. He had a B26i, same thing I had, and I took out that motor and put a SR20 and turbocharged.
Okay.
And I ran that van at Jamwest and did it was running in 14, then I break out and got 13, and they end up win a trophy down there. It was Changa man. It was a in the class. Whole heap of under. And make out 4 of them. When they break out, but they break out slow and end up in the class.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Good.
With the bread van, with the bread van though, was it? Did you get what you were looking for from that project? Did you accomplish your goal?
Yeah, at that stage, yeah. Because it set a record at that time. It was 10-4. And a few years after Puffy came, and I think Puffy did a 10-2. Yeah, so he took the record a few years after. So it was reigning for a couple of years at 10-2 for the Toyota.
Yeah.
It was I want to give a little history. The same motor that was in the bread van, that's the same motor in the now.
What?
Motor. From them time.
Hold on, repeat that. For all who missed it a while ago.
That was in the bread van. That is the engine that is presently in the blue Supra now. Same engine.
Wow.
Or never machine shop. Build that motor in my office.
Wow.
Yep.
Wow. That's all me can say, bro. That's amazing.
Yeah, man. Trust me.
We're talking about how many years now, Chuku?
Right, that motor that for about 2004, 05. Yeah, 5. Over 15 years now.
Wow.
Yeah, man.
Yeah?
Yep.
All right. I mean, we don't reach at the Supra yet. We're still at the bread van. Now, why you chose the bread van when, I mean, what was your vision behind a chassis like that?
I was a fan. I love rear-wheel drive vehicle. As I said, I grew up driving, starting off with rear-wheel drive vehicle. So
Okay.
I thought it was just a up to the time thing, and you know.
Yeah.
And with the reading up and studying the JZ and see the power that it can produce stock, I said I didn't need to get any other. The 4AG not going to manage that. To push them off for and be reliable and affordable at that time.
Yeah.
It was the boss and still is the boss. Yeah, so I learned a lot from building the Mark II with the 1J and realized the true potential of the JZ.
So the Mark II came after the bread van, right?
Yeah, no. Yeah, right after the bread van, because I was running the 4AG and I built the Mark II for Gilly, my virgin. And then I switched to the JZ.
Okay. Now let's move forward a little bit to the Mark II now, right? when you mentioned Mark II back in them days, what came to my mind would be you, Virgo from Moby,
Yeah.
and the man with them called Lawyer. I don't know if I'm missing anybody else.
Yeah, man, Lawyer was the time.
By the way, what to Lawyer? Years now when I hear about Lawyer now.
In the boat, you know, when I see him, I think
Yeah?
I see him last. Yeah, man, him the old man. Bannister side, run a garage up there.
Well, I tell you, the man is a real veteran.
When we just Jay-Z, man, and I fool around the Mark II, Lawyer come to me with a book, I can tell you and say, yo, I boss in this, I can tell you everything about him. I say, Lawyer, cool, man. But trust me, not to Lawyer like a Jay-Z, I tell you.
Yeah.
The man that
Yeah.
is day in, day out.
Yeah.
Man.
Yeah, man. Well, talking about the Mark II, right? I think it's safe to say that you, especially the chassis, the model Mark II you're using, you definitely allowed persons to see the potential of what a chassis like that can do.
Yeah.
You know, because yeah, I would say it. Well, in my estimation, I would say it's a family size car. You know, it's probably more on the weighty side.
Yeah.
You know, but tell us a little bit more about the Mark II though, that project, how it came about.
The Mark II, this named Sean did bring Gilly, introduce him to me, because I remember I have some issues with the Mark II. And I think he did a couple garage, and still never did I get no result. Come link me at the shop one day, and but then I look through the car and I said, well, yeah, we can take on that project here. I'm in run twin turbo, so I want a single turbo. But, I think that was like the third manifold a bill. And to this day, it's still running on the vehicle. Uncle Davey show me them, you know, by the tube, the welded elbows, send me up a national and I get them and make up my plate and build the manifold and yeah, still running. And are tuned by Xavier Morris, because I want to tell you, I get a joke about the bread van before we finish with the
Yeah.
Put in the Jay-Z, the 2J and Samoria and stuff, which management I got run him say, why AM man? I go up on the tuning thing, you know.
Yeah.
Check your boss on the plan, tune and yeah, they make about 600 of them time, you know.
See?
Yeah man, I want to tell you what they on the dyna mean I can drive off a cosmic cars mean I can. It was automatic, stock transmission. Stock once. Step on the dyna when I feel the power start, come on. I start back off on the dyna, so he must say, yo, give me a seat, man. And go on the seat.
Come on.
I said, watch. That a pan the dyna, I used to them for the yet, you know.
Yeah.
And he used to like 450, 500, because the 4H like 500 them time there. And power start, make no one, we got to test it at Vern, and we'll go down the one day and we and Xavier there one Sunday. We tune. Yeah, man, and log it and check what go on. So take a drive, man. He said, no, so you have to drive the car. The joke was him sit down over the passenger side in the car. There's only one seat, the racing seat. And the first launch a car there in a Kedron.
Run a back.
It's a good thing the tailgate did look good because of that stop saver. You're both of the car. Yo, at the end, he just come out of the car, see them and say, yo, you alone but it's a car. I'm on the roll cage, trust me, roll go right round my back. Yeah, man. Yeah. That was a joke.
Power receiver, boy. Oh, Lord,
Yeah,
man.
Yeah, bang up right there, so man, I can't do that.
Yeah. Well,
Yeah, memories, yeah. Good.
yeah, that's the Mark II, right?
Yeah.
What was the best time with it?
Marco, I think it was 11. Yeah, the Marco was in 11-second class. I think the best time was 11.
Yeah?
If I'm, yeah.
Okay.
Would I use feelings of Vernam still? Whole heap of feelings, especially the underman them feelings. Sunday day when I go Vernam, yo, I would just line up it through.
Well, tell me something, Chuku. The power levels, right? Because you say you used to driving like the 500. You know, you're used to 500 horsepower and stuff.
Yeah.
But having a car now with a new power level, how difficult was it for you to adjust?
You see, the key thing is discipline, you know. You see, when you know what you have and you're disciplined, you know how to deal, how to handle. So, you know you have the power, can do certain things, and it's just discipline. Yeah, a little story with you with Liquor T when he just bought the S2000, and every minute he used to spin and knock the wheel or it get out of control. And one Sunday I say, yo, just see track there, the big track, just go down there, do everything, make the car brake. So you know how to respond, how the car are gonna respond, and you know what to expect anytime it happens to you on the road. That's the key thing that you're practicing. So all of them things up on the track, you see what the car are gonna spin out. So you hold your composure and know how to deal with it.
Straight.
Yeah, man. But even since when last week I went town with it and I run for like I think it's about 900 at the time. I had put in some pump gas with the ethanol. That it have a flex sensor that adjusts everything based on what you're running it. Pump gas, straight pump gas would give me like about 650 on the road. So once I pour in the ethanol and watch my gauge, so the alcohol content, I have an idea where it's at.
Okay.
And I don't run it regular and take it toll road, and some of the time I just cruise all the way, come back out, and you don't need to press it because you know what you have.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. All right. Now, make a step forward now and talk about the Supra.
Okay.
Right. Now, the Supra is the car, I would say, the younger generation know you for. You know. Yeah, man. What was your first? You remember your first time? The time you did the first time you came out with the Supra?
The Supra, all right. I did 10s. I did 10. It was 10-3. Hello?
Yeah, man. Me there, man. Listen.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, it's on this start.
Yeah, man.
That's right. Yeah, man. I did 10s. It was a gearbox in it, and I asked the tuner. I said, Lance, want to run the carrier, and I saw the carrier I do, and I must say, got transmission, because them carry unforgiving with gearbox. Can't forget that on him. I said, yeah, what? But I just want to know what the car do with the gearbox. So when I got transmission, I can see the difference.
All right. Chuku.
Yeah.
The fans are asking that we talk about the Ever before we go to the Supra.
Yeah. The younger generation would know about the Ever.
Right.
And to this day, it is still the fastest ever 10 on the island. It has a record.
What's the time with it again?
It's 11.4 or 11.2. It was low 11. I think it was 11.
Low 11.
Yeah, man. Or
Okay.
11.2, I think. I would have to look up all the time slip.
Okay. It could possibly be 11.2. I know that the Everton that Spoon from Spoon in Senton.
Yeah, he ran 11.4.
I think they did 11.4. Yeah.
Yes, size 11.2. Yeah, they came close.
All right. Robert is asking if you remember the race with you and him in the Ever.
Yeah, I forget the race, the man. That was a good one. Big up, Robert. You can't play there under there, man. Trust me.
Yeah. All right. 11-1. All right. I see Alan Gordon. Alan Circuit Racer. Say he did 11-1 with his Ever. That's the Ever that Doug used to own, that does circuit.
Really? When? If him can show some proof, then I guess him can take it, but
well, Alan,
I know I have the record.
Alan, see if you can find the time slip, and of course, we will, All right, him say, all right, cool. But yeah, Chuku, back to the Ever now.
Yeah.
I know that the Ever has a winning streak. Quite a few persons you have to discipline. You understand?
Yeah.
With the Ever.
Yeah. You see, because it's such a big, like a luxury car, it don't look that aggressive to some people. They say they prefer the 7 or the 8. The 8 are, the older ones are more aggressive. So they underestimate the 10. And much people out here weren't familiar with the 4B11, even to this date. Enough people fear it, but I did build that motor. That motor blew on me a couple years ago, coming from a party one night, and the acceleration, it was so weird. I wasn't even pressing. I went up to like about 230, 240 and back off, and the acceleration, it just let a rod loose. So I figured that motor had some issues with it. So I brought in a new motor and tear it down same time and build it and got it tuned. Blaine, BG tuning, big up. He tuned the Everton, and that car made some power that surprised a whole heap of people.
Yeah, because it's a talk on the. I've heard persons saying that the 4B11 is soft. It's a very difficult engine to.
No, not to me. Based on my experience with it, it's a good platform to work with. It's just that at that time the parts were expensive. The availability of parts weren't that you couldn't get it so easy.
Right.
Yeah, you couldn't access it so easy, and it costs a lot because much people weren't running it. And I bought the stuff them and build that motor same place I built it at the shop, right in my office. Put it in, break it in, link up with Blaine, did a little street tune, and then we went to the dyno. That car made 550 and pump gas. And then we put in some C16. It wasn't fully drained, so it was a mixture. And it went up to 658, I think. 650 something. And we stopped it right there. Even though I built the motor to take 900.
Whoa. Serious?
Yeah. Serious. That's over 5 years now. Over 5, yeah. About 6 years now that motor was built. Still running strong. I haven't touched back the dyno from them time there.
Interesting. I never know that at all, bro.
Yeah, man. So enough people see it and think so it's easy to jump up and so. Couple times I have to discipline them. The last one I saw Roy put it up. I never knew it was videoing it. We were going to Jam West. And leave out and Rory called me and say, yo, where you drive? I said, I drive it ever. And stop at Mega Quarters, I eat some shrimp and thing, and because I might spot that, you know, after stop by the shrimp spot. We did, and Brethren called me and say, yo, that time Rory in Land Cruiser, and I say, yo, buck tree ever, you know. Them a get hella come down. I said, all right, then come. And I just discipline them for a Jam West. It was like a little plaything still.
Yeah,
I just wait on them, send them, go around, and yeah.
Yeah. Well, I know that even up until recently, like maybe a year or two ago, there was this call out or something like that with you on a blue Ever. I said, go.
No, it was from that time. It wasn't a call out. They just bought me on the road, going to Jam West.
No, man. Wasn't there something like something you guys settled at Vernon Field one day, man?
Oh, no. All right. The thing is, all right, that Sunday now, some guys normally come have a car wash up here. Black with a red Ever, and them have a Thai party. And they clean up the vehicle and said them I go Vernon. And that afternoon, I went down my kids' house and I was there. We're chilling and I wash out the car down there.
Yeah.
And then I soon come. Feel like we drive go Vernon. Drive go Vernon, park up and watch them, everybody I run up and down. And I think that car, a Urbi work on that car. You know? Yeah, man, Urbi. And then they up and down and it's alright. Never remember, say, I went away with the remote to lock the gate for the garage. So the car wash guy called me and said, I'm ready for close up.
Yeah.
So I say, yo, bro, I cut enough. Tell my brethren them, so I cut. So same time, Doc say, yo, give me a pass, man. I don't know a racing, you know, we still have to go up the track. But I make a one squeeze and easy shift go up there. Come back. Say a man can line up. So I go move the car and a man can line up and say, give me a run. I say, brethren, I don't come for this. I just go up the track. So alright, anyway, if you want to line up, but I don't really see him. I go up the track. It wasn't really a race to me. Because if you watch a video, I don't launch the car, I just roll off of the line and just go through him.
Just like that.
The time launch. I'm just drive through him. I'm going to come back, I just toot me on and just turn out. I say, come again. I say, brethren, I have somewhere to go. I have a shop to go lock up, so. Same time, my brethren drop a little thing and say, yo, one and drive. So,
one and move.
We call the one the one and move. The one that go and stroke, you know?
Stroke.
Yeah.
For real, man. Hey.
It wasn't really, I wasn't even gear up right. It was just on the street setup and everything. So,
yeah.
If they really mean business, then call me out and I go down there. Trust me. Them
different.
A total different car than what I see.
Yeah, man. All right. I saw somebody mention something earlier about some race between you and Williams Pulsar. I never know about that one there. Some 300 pot. I don't know that.
Yo.
Yeah, if you don't want to talk about it, it's fine, you know what?
No, man, that cool, man. That
okay.
We ain't at the past, but yeah, it was a big race. It was some issue with I think it was through the Mapen man, the man thing, and we did a run up and down and people are cheer the mark one thing and the Pulsar there, so we have a race line up. It was 300,000.
Yeah.
It really finished off at a bad ending and we kind of go around that now still and sort out that. So all our friends.
Yeah.
So, no.
Right. No vibes.
No, man. I got him place, him come on my place. My uncle Cleve we did kick off at one point, but we pass a stage and throw that behind me, you know?
Yeah, man. But
Yeah,
a
man,
part of motorsport, you know.
yeah, it was a part of motorsports. It's just a little mishap go on here, man. It just
Yeah,
never
yeah.
felt right, so I'm not gonna really go back on that track.
Yo!
I want to give a joke, you know, we move the car the idea now, I want to move the Mark II, you know. Bend up the two back shocks, you know.
Wow.
Put on some slicks on it, and the first move my move, you know. Bend up the back shocks them. And all heap of things. We end up changing the shocks them, and no, we never get to change the shocks because the first run when they run, it was really close. When we reach up, I can remember when we reach up the finish line, Williams was like, oh, it go. And me, I look on him and I said, oh, it go, because it was so close.
Yeah, yeah.
None of us knew who had won, but the guy that's standing up there said it was really close to Pulsar cut you. But close. It was like a
Close.
photo finish.
See,
It was a photo finish because we, the driver, not even did know.
yeah, yeah,
And
yeah.
we came back. He had an issue with the gearbox. And them said them want some time to sort it out. And we give them some time, them drop out the box and rectify it and then go back out there and say they're ready. By the time I test the car now, it bend up the shocks them because I notice the car just I go sideways and I said, no, the car I know it go sideways, I know if I hold it, but this hard to control. I don't really do no suicide thing. I want to jack up the car and check it, the shocks and bend. So at the same time I said, boy, give a little time I could send to two shocks and thing.
Yeah.
So it was a little argument. I said they couldn't wait and far fit the deal. And I said, but bro, we're going to time for fix phone a car. That's man. And that's the thing going on. My uncle and me and my brethren, them, we just say, yo, here what, F it and call it a day.
Yeah, call it a day.
Them said they win one and we said, but you don't want to give time for fix a car. And one other thing they go on and tell me, let's drop that here, man. That never reach.
Yeah. But I tell you no, people don't understand that racing, although we do it for fun and we do it, some do it for bragging rights.
Yeah.
But trust me, it's a whole heap of feelings get involved sometime, you know.
Yeah, man.
You understand? A whole heap of ego get hurt at times too.
For real.
You know, see it. So we know, if you just know, say, boy, we can't make it reach a certain level. We just have to.
See, yeah. We got through that stage and to me, you know, racing, you see from me and Spy start racing the rivalry.
Yeah.
One night time Spy we are all butcher like a cloak, a white cloak come there, man, and have him butcher knife, say him kill me. And enough time we make him have to just hide that and go back home, you know, lap in tail and go back home. So him win some, me win some.
Yeah.
But as I can remember, 3/4 of the race, them and me take it. So me still a lead. Yeah, man, big up brother Spy, man. I think in that Cayman now.
Yeah, man. I think he's in Cayman for real.
Yeah, man.
You know? But
yeah, so them thing that to me, but growing out and I realize, listen, it is just fun for me.
Yeah.
Like me and Xavier them race, me and all of them race, and going up to the line, right there, so we're I wouldn't say enemy, but me go for win.
Rival. Yeah, man.
Rival. But you see, after we go over the finish line and come back down, we're the best
Bridging.
to drink out of the same cup, do anything, chat, run or joke. That was it. Whether you win or me win.
Yes.
I just think that. It was just a family thing.
But remember, Chuku, remember, so racing is a very, very highly competitive sport, you know. So nobody now expect to be no friend. A man with a best friend till the light go green, you know, bro.
Yeah, man. Not wrong with
them
that.
couple
Once
seconds
you go
there,
to the line.
For those couple seconds where you used to go across the line. Yeah, man, no friend thing, man.
I want to share a little thing with you, you know. What I get to realize is that throughout the years I've been racing, you see most of the time some little mishap going on, some little argument, and I really we the driver, you know. Sometimes I just the fans them are, the followers them are, you understand?
True.
Them throw some word and it get taken the wrong way, and you know? And that's how the argument start and a little bad vibes are coming. So most of the time, I'm not really with the driver.
That's not true.
Enough time to happen and it ain't enough to play out so.
That's not true. I can tell you this. I know even if a man have a beef with a man, I know if him see him a road broke down or need help or something, a man not gonna drive past him so easy. If him even drive past him, him probably come back and say, boy, warm to your brother. May I tell you? You know, this the racing fraternity, you know, I wouldn't say everybody link, but there's no serious level of vibes like that. If you understand that.
It's a family thing, man. Trust me, family.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So,
one and one shot everybody. You know, I say, but that race and where race can opponent and them need something and we have it to let them see them way.
And them you compete with.
And them you compete with.
I'm not sure
you man they want gas, you give them gas same way.
Same way.
Thing that tool pan and they need it. You let them same way. I just saw you go.
Same way. Same way.
I just suck. I just fun.
Aye. Well, we could go forward now to the Supra, right?
Yeah, man.
Now, I remember, was it a year or two ago? There was this argument about the fastest street legal car in Jamaica, right? I'm not sure if that argument is still out there.
Yeah, man, it's still up and about.
Really?
Yeah, man.
Well, okay.
Everybody have them views on it still, you know.
Yeah.
And big up a load them and load them a virgin same way. Though
yeah, man.
Craig, Nick.
Yeah, man.
We are family same way. So some people think it's a boy rare, but man them man the link same way. No bad vibes are there.
No bad vibe.
You understand?
Straight.
Yeah, man. I one love, man.
Yeah, man.
Well, to me, still, there was a little issue there with a little poster going, and a little reasoning about it, and it bring up some little thing where them say, based on them have the fastest street car, but me and Nick in that reason, I say, Nick, I have the fastest time for a street car. My car is license insured, AC, fully functional radio, drive to the track. So I consider it a street car because I drive it every day when I can.
Yeah.
And I run a faster time than you guys. We even buck up one time and I beat them. You understand?
Oh yeah, that was off the records.
No, man, at Vernam.
Yeah? You on the GTR lineup?
Yeah, man. Enough people remember that. I have the videos.
Oh, yes. No, man, you have to send me that video there, Chuku.
No, why you start.
No. Hold on. You know we not start. No, man. We just, you see, there are certain, I'm building an archive, right? And there are certain things that I like to have. You know, there are a lot of things I have, you know, and I don't even post it, you know, bro. You understand? I see Bojo check in a while ago. Big up Bojo.
Yeah, man. Big up
right?
Bojo.
Yeah, man. There are a lot of videos.
8 seconds, man.
Hey, boy, we soon talk about that still, you know. We soon talk about that 8 seconds something there, you know.
Hey, Bojo make an indirect call out of that day, you know, man. I realize I go on in a bunch. Bojo, I'm a virgin still.
So hold on. Since I just bring it up, I could talk about it, you know. Right? Bojo say it's not a call out, it's a run with.
It's a run with.
It's a run with. You understand? And him show him respect, him say, boy, listen, I have to big up Chuku, I have to big up all who faster than me, and I do them thing. But, alright, make that question let's stay a little bit. Because we soon go down to some nitty-gritty. But with the Supra now, I guess it's safe to say that the Supra is the fastest. Alright, what's the term? How am I supposed to term it?
Well, as we say, if you were to be more specific.
Yeah.
One man Dwight attack, one man Nick attacked the other day, a few weeks ago. I said, if you put it up and say, boy, you're the fastest all-wheel drive or street legal all-wheel drive vehicle, then I can understand.
Right.
But knowing that I have the faster time and my car is street legal, I think I have the same right there, so. You understand?
Well, you remember the time, the times?
861. I did a 861. And I think they did a 864.
Okay.
Yeah. That was the best.
You know, some people don't understand when they come down to drag racing, every single millisecond counts.
Trust me.
You understand? Every single one. If I run at 8.1111, whatever, and you run at 8.112,
I'm slow.
right?
I lose.
Exactly.
I lose.
You know what I mean? And fact is, you know, Chuku, and me, you know this, say, chances are if me and you line up, you would probably beat me in terms of your reaction.
Reaction time, yeah. It comes out down to reaction time.
You understand me?
Yeah.
So, if that's the facts, then I mean, I don't think there needs to be any more clarity. But
yeah, we know.
You know
what is what.
Yeah. You know, but I don't know. Maybe one of them day. Would there be any chance though of that being settled anytime in the future?
Not
like the resurrection of the.
Not with this car. This car, 2017. Yeah. When I raced it the last, when I finished racing that meet, I tell Steven, I said, this is the last car running. I retire in the car now. So the car retired from drag racing. So until
I know persons may be asking why though. Persons might want to know why you retire.
For me, I don't want to spoil up that car. To go really fast in that car, I would have to do some more modifications body-wise to accommodate some bigger tires. And I'm not going to spoil up the car.
Right.
I want to drive on the road and fully functional with everything, same way, AC, everything.
Yeah.
And nice. So.
But, I mean, a Supra is a Supra, no, bro. I mean,
the Supra
you know,
car.
at the end of it's a Supra.
Yeah.
You know, that's a classic. No more MK4s are being produced. Right? So to have a Supra right now, or to have a like a GTR 34, 33, 32, those are like collectors item in the owner, bro.
Yeah, man. Collectors item.
You know. I just want to say thanks to our sponsors for making tonight possible. Kenty Racing, Jamaica Drivers Club, WAP Performance, Boosting, Horsepower in a Bottle, Zidage Performance, and Massive Auto Parts. All right.
Man.
Yeah. So the Supra is retired.
Yeah.
All right. Now the next question would be, has Chuku retired from drag racing?
No. That never happen. You will never live to see that happen.
Well, tell you what, you know, a lot of people out there they just felt better by you saying that, because, you know, of course, you know, drag racing is now at Jam West. You know, unfortunately, we're not racing at Dover, Vernon Field anymore.
Yeah.
Right, and you know, of course, your fans out there, you know, of course, they would be asking or want to know, how come I see the Supra, you know, how I see Chuku, you know, you mind addressing that, Chuku? Like,
yeah, one big up Kenty too, you know, them are going good. I like what them are going with.
Straight.
But for our type of car that we're building, that truck, when I really like that. That truck then are suitable for the type of power on the car we will make.
Okay.
At where where it's at now. Don't know if it can do much more improvement to it, so it can accommodate our type of car. It's good for the front wheel drive and the 4-wheel drive cars. But you know, our car some of the time then can get a little unruly. And that track is very unforgiving.
Let me ask, is it the track though, or is it like the wall, the retaining walls?
Yeah, it has to do with that too.
Okay.
The runoff, I think him saying extend the runoff.
Yeah, some work has been done.
Yeah, but I don't think I will. Well, can let out the little secret and now still. It's just to say the other track complete. That's what Dwight say him have in the making. When that track the complete, then you will see the return, because there's something in the making.
Something in the making.
Yeah. Still Jay-Z.
Still Jay-Z.
Yeah. So
anything else you want to leave with the fans pertaining to the new project?
The new project? Well,
yeah.
Definitely won't be running the same time that we left running at Vernam. Yeah. We'll be going much faster.
Okay,
and
sir.
Trust me, the lemon there, the combination between me and Lance, trust me, we'll have it like right there, so.
I see Nick Manley just joining the chat. He's asking if the Supra retire, so I guess him just joining in, because we spoke about that a little earlier. Yes, Nick?
Big up, Nick.
Yeah, man, Chuku was saying that the Supra is retired. Well, let me ask you this, Chuku.
This blue Supra is retired.
The blue one.
Not like this more. This blue one is retired.
Okay. Well, Keroy was asking earlier, gears, something about the gears you're running on the final drive for your Supra.
When I run in what, the gearbox or the transmission?
Right. Well, that's another thing I should mention, because Darren is asking, did you switch back to the V160 in the Supra?
Yeah, right. The following the week right after the last race meet that I retired the car. Following week I just switched back to the gearbox, because before that, while I was racing the car, I used to drive it with the power glide on the road, the 2-speed, but trust me, it's scary. Really scary. It can drive in a car, drive it go town, drive it a couple times, and with the 2-speed, as on the tronic cooler, everything temperature alright, car running good, but with that lag and that the gearing, the ratio, when the boost come on, trust me, it's really scary with the 2-speed.
Okay. Not really friendly for traffic.
No, not friendly for for the road. But it's drivable. I used to drive it. But
cool.
Like me, I like the drifting, the sliding. So I like the gearbox. So I had to go back to the gearbox to have fun.
Okay. Okay. Well, yes, so persons who have any other question, feel free to ask them. But Chuku, with the Supra, right?
Yeah.
Because you mentioned something a while ago, and a lot of persons maybe they didn't know that for street you'd use the manual transmission, but come race day you'd put the power glide.
No, that's wrong. When I went to the transmission from day one, I never took it out back until I retired the car. So while I was racing at Vernam, going to Vernam, driving during the week, it was the power glide.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Somebody's asking how much power you made with the Supra.
The figure I don't know. Only 2 persons would I know that, between, well, 3. other from me, Lance
Yeah.
and Lizzie. Because the last tune I did on that car before I went to race, it was done in Mandeville. Because the town dyno had some issues. We have some doubts in it, even though it only stopped at 1,000. So Lizzie could could inform if he wants, but that car made over 1,200 horsepower though, easy.
Mad.
Yeah.
Mad. Do you find that you had to? Did you use all that power?
And it's still a 3 liter. It is still a 3 liter.
Okay. Did you find? Did you use all the power though?
No, we couldn't. That time when I tuned the car, when I went to Vernon the morning, and I said to Lance, crank him, man. Lance said, no. I said, run it, man. And Lance, all right, I'm going to show you. And him crank up everything, and when I go, I don't remember if you recall that video where the car was smoking, got right through the track. Some people thought it did blow up or something. It was smoking the tire them right through the track, and when I came back, the car did a slow time, and Lance said, you satisfied now, sir? And he turned it back down. He did. It's a similar result to what had happened to Jody. Big up Jody. A couple of years ago when Jody came with the Skyline, it was the same thing when he got all the power and couldn't run. He had to turn it down.
Same.
Yeah, man. And
well, I must say though, I have to give a lot of props to Kenty as it relates to track prep. You know, he has been doing a fantastic job with the track prep at Jamwest. Yeah. And I find that especially like rear-wheel drive cars, Roland, for example, can put down the power a little bit better. It's just a matter of dialing in the car.
Yeah, it needs some dialing, but you say one of the downfall with down there, what some people don't understand, you say that I think it's the 1.8. I don't know. I think it's a 1.8 he treated track bite it too. You say
I think no. It's well, no, what I know is that he does, and if Kent is here, he could probably just chime in a bit. I think it's the entire quarter, but the more treatment is done, like to the 1.8.
Yeah, but the 1.8, I think it's concrete, right? You see the transition right there, so coming off that and going to the rest of it is asphalt, right? That's where the problem is. After you leave out that transition. That is where the car get loose.
Okay. Well, as I said, if Kenty is in the chat, all right. Kera is saying that Antigua have the worst track, and well, I'm repeating what Kera type, right? Antigua has the worst track, and they're them doing 7s down there. So, you know, to each his own. You know, you guys are the racers. You know what you're capable to work with, right? So we started a couple years ago where and I think the track wasn't as treated though as it is now when Damon came.
Yeah, Damon Chen.
Yeah, you know, so I can understand, you know, some of the rear-wheel drive guys having some concerns, but what I would say though, Chuku, even the Ever, because I know your fans want to see, you know, if it's even the Ever, one of them meet, you come live up the place, man. You know, make them know say why Chuku is still here, you know.
the Sunday that I went by Jam West when the little run on the road with the blue ever.
Yeah.
I was planning on making 2 passes down there, you know. But the thing is, it rained out. When I reached, it was a lot of rain falling.
Yeah.
So I didn't bother.
Okay.
We had to. It was raining down there really hard, so I just say, you know what, just call it a day.
Okay. Well, you know, as I said, I'm a fan as well, you know. So may I talk from even my point of view. I would really love to see Chuku, you know, back on the track. And who knows, you know, the bug, everybody have a little speed bug, you know what I'm talking about, right?
Yeah, man. The bug, the bite, yeah, man.
Yeah, man, you can't ignore it.
Really?
All right, somebody was asking earlier if you would build a circuit car.
No, I wouldn't. Circuit, I tried it a few years ago. Well, I run the track already, not with my car. That was back in the days when we used to go do over with Kimani them. Pinky Maganson and Virgin Eval in the Texas. They used to go down there and I had the Starlet and I made like 2 laps and feel good, but it was my thing. It was my thing.
Yeah. And you know, I try to explain to people that listen, you can't bash somebody for their preference, right? There are persons out there who do not like drag racing, right? They respect it, you know, but they don't. That's not where their passion lies. It lies with circuit, and there are persons, well, like yourself, who try the circuit and say, boy, you know, so that really drags me thing the door.
Drag on my thing. You get the adrenaline that comes with it, with that short space of time, the amount of things you have to do, it's very unforgiving. So if you slip, you slide.
Yeah. And you know, unlike circuit racing, well, I mean, I like both. There's honestly, I really don't want to get into politics of it, like which one I prefer over the other, but I really do enjoy all disciplines of motorsports. That is why, that's why I am in it.
You have to keep a balance, you know, so.
You know it, Tingo.
You have to keep a balance.
Yeah, man. So, you know, I have to just big up all enthusiasts who, you know, keep motorsports alive, because after we come out of this phase with this COVID-19, you know, we are going to need the motor racing fraternity is going to need all the support, right, to get these events back up and running and, you know, building back the vibe, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. So, all right, Mr. Boost, I say rally at the boss. All right. Everyone have them preference, you know.
Yeah, man, everyone have them preference.
Yeah, man. So for persons watching, just know that, listen, Team Stainless, big up.
Stainless, yeah, man.
Yeah, man, we're going to need the support. Motorsports going to need the support of everybody. I mean, if you can't make it to the event, at least try to share the flyer, you know, or share the promo video that's out. You know, that is how you can support motorsports, even if you can't make it to the track, right? And of course, we as 876 Streets, you know, I've dedicated my life to motorsports. It's now a full-time business for me, and so it's in my best interest to see the sport grow. You understand? I really, it's the kind of job where come like you're not working, Chuku.
Yeah.
You know, I enjoy it. I enjoy even just the reason why we're whole right now, you know, and just.
Cause it's stressing for the woman lock up in the one.
Trust me. Hold on.
Rough.
I said, Chacha boy, I said, tell him about the Subaru. You have a Subaru to Chuku?
Yeah, man, they have a bug eye. Big trophy. The only thing we never got you are the under. Other Nissan too. But the Subaru now, never my thing, because I think I hurt up engine 2 times in the Subaru.
Wow.
And I had it parked for about a week and I measure up the CMJZ. That was a project I was going to take on.
Put the JZ in the Subaru.
In the Subaru, yeah, man. Can be done.
Mad thing.
Yeah, man.
Mad. That would have been interesting.
Yeah, man. That's what I nice. What the Supra, you know?
J. Subi J. For real. You know, but as I said, peeps, we have a few more minutes left. You know, we have roughly about 5 minutes. So if you have any question you want to put to Chuku, you have a couple minutes to do so. I just want to say big up to tonight's sponsors of this live stream: Kenty Racing, Jamaica Race Drivers Club, WAP Performance, Boosting, Horsepower in a Bottle, The Dodge Performance, and Massive Auto Parts. All right. Any future projects, Chuku?
Think I've disclosed enough information on that already.
Okay. So you have one main.
I just need to see the track come true.
Yeah.
So that's what I'm waiting on. I heard that Vernam is really a history now. So I got some news the other day. So that can't nobody look that side again. So I'm hoping to see do I track come true. So we can return back and have some fun.
All right, let me ask you a question, Chuku. What if Bujo, for example, I mean, I just use it, maybe I shouldn't use Bujo name, because I know it's going to come like me, I set up something. But I'm just going to use Bujo as an example, right? Now, Bujo never really make a call out. He never really call you out, but
Direct.
It was. Now, what would it take? Well, I know you say the track, but what would it take, you know, other than, is there anything else other than the track that could take Chuku now out of retirement? Could it be a call out? Could it be a big money race, like a big wager?
Nah, that's at the least side, so. We do it for the fun. We're not doing it for the money.
For the fun.
For the fun.
Okay. Okay.
Well, as I said, the car retire. You're not going to see about the car up on the track. Nobody going to see about. Even drive, go on the track one day, you're not going to see it up on the track.
Can't drive out.
No. and secondly, to me, it's like, But like the look of vibe, and yeah, you're not gonna call out somebody who slower than you. It wouldn't make no sense.
Right.
But to straighten out certain things, how me see it, I respect the time when him run. It was what, 8?
Hold on, Chuku. See, I'm on a cough in a room there, no man. A cough in a chat room. Look on your phone.
Probably.
See, I'm on a cough.
Hold on, let me check your rear view mirror. It look like one. I check your rear view mirror. Now when they cough, I can't see them in front of me, I have to check your mirror.
Yo, I wicked this down that mirror.
Beat and teach, you know? Big up Omar. Say my 9-second thing, you know?
Yeah.
I can't get involved in the 8-second thing. A different thing that. People never know the difference in a Kejan.
Yeah.
You see the difference, you see with the big shot them now, with the deep sea.
Yeah.
So you leave a little spot them for go and swim right a reef, you know?
Jeez.
And then when they come out there, then drown, you know? We don't play.
Yo, boy, you know what? You know, me never go get into the politics. You know, Omar, big up yourself.
Big up Omar.
Hey, man. Big man thing still. My offer rate Omar. one of the man them in a drag racing right now who him have a different vibe where I have to rate him.
Yeah, man, him have to get in ratings in a car. Yeah, what? You saw me like with Omarto. Him consistent.
Yeah.
Him not just come and drop a one time and you know hear about him. Nah drop no words still in but as Dina said about Bojo, you see if the Supra in a run same way and me see you back up the 8 couple time and come down in the 8-6, 8-5, then competition would have dead. But me can tell you with me round the steering and you are on a 8-8, me are on a 8-6, you're not gonna beat me. The most you can do is hope for something happen to my car. But when I play when I go up on the line, me well focused when I go up on the line. I just me and the light.
Same.
So it no matter which big car want come beside me, make them big burnout and then loud noise and then I am get going.
Hey, you know, I have to answer this before we end, Chuku. Why you never consider Honda as a platform? I mean, Honda have a lot of successes both locally and internationally. Their R&D, what you would call it now? There's a lot of information out there for Hondas right now. So
that is it. I am different. I like to try new things. I like to have something different.
See.
When I like go out there and like you say, may I run this and you say 10, 20 so what I run it. And I might think that my life will come different.
Okay.
So my thing of a uni, just different from everybody else.
Okay. Cool.
That's my thing still, you know.
Yeah, man.
Honda is a nice car and you have to give them the ratings car. Lately, trust me, the K series.
The development behind the K series.
You can't play with them cars. A couple of years ago, I can recall when me in a 9 second. No, it was 10 for 9. And when Mrs. Xavier and Kenty then come on, they all motor them down 9. I look for the tune and I say, Lance, I'm not comfortable, I say, you know. Because I'm not going to come out and make a little all motor.
All motor. You're not 4-cylinder.
Still a Jay-Z, I don't have no place there, so.
No, sir.
We do homework and we go up on the drawing board and we do what we have to do and just leave off of the reef, as I say, and go out in the deep sea.
Deep.
Yeah, man. Deep blue. Deep blue. That's how we ramp. So,
yo, you know.
Them props, man. Them
excellent,
man. I see them run a World Cup and trust me, them car they perform real good.
What was that experience like though for you at the World Cup? Did it open up like a different realm of speed for you where you say, boy, no man, but me not do not with Deep Blue, man.
I want to tell you, this is the 3rd World Cup I've been to, you know, so. I got it a couple times and it does a lot of information and things you can learn and you can see what you can do and see what them are do up there. Even though, trust me, the advantage with them is the track. The track is well prepped. It's not getting no better than that. If you go out the Kedron and if you even have on your shoes and you don't tie the lace tight, you walk out tight. Yeah, man. It will leave on the track. And not just talking about a quarter or half of the track, the full track. Right.
Same.
So you get a better run right there, so in the car. You have more traction. The car more stable.
Same.
And the temperature too, up there plays a big role. Up there is always cold. The temperature has a lot to do with it, especially the boost cars.
Okay. Well, tell me something, right? Would you any plans of like racing overseas, like maybe at the World Cup level or?
Boy, this is a different section of the ocean that now, you know. You're going in the Atlantic now, so I'm not gonna tell you, say, even though
Well, say you have to dance a yard first.
Yeah, man. When I'm ready for this, Not saying we couldn't perform good up there, no, but it would take a lot. And I don't, I'm not going to invest so much right there. So, because my car bill, I just had one sponsor. It was quick and easy. Bill payment, Virgin, some China Virgin I'm work for. Them give me like a sponsor and thing, which me appreciate and I have to big them up. Other from that throughout the years, I just me alone. I'm a friend them and thing.
Same.
Yeah, man. So, I'm not invest it that way.
Okay.
More
Fair enough.
Yeah.
Fair enough, because, you know, I was talking to Jody the other day. Jody from Cayman, and, you know, he was saying that it's a different ball game.
Yes,
you know.
That's a different one.
Yeah,
that's the way you work
say
about 3 spare engine, 3 transmission,
fully built,
3 turbo, everything. So and the place is like an invitational thing. You have to like
apply.
You have to qualify at your area first and meet the requirements and the specs and everything before they can accept you up there. You don't just go and run at World Cup, so. Yeah, man.
Well, you know, I've heard from personally. I've never been to the World Cup, but you know, pretty much all the guys that go World Cup, you know, the feedback. You know, I remember even Andrew Hudson was saying to me that, boy, you know, and Ken Starr is a different ball game, bro.
Yeah, man. Different thing, man. Open up your eyes, man. And you go out there, man.
You know. Yeah, man. See more them. I mean, I was glad because last year, quite a few racers from Jamaica
what's the
went up. Yeah.
Only for Jamaica, man.
But, hey, there was a joke in one of them WhatsApp group where them guys are trouble the Nissan man them. I said when them look on the Nissan man them, when cold bite them, all of the Nissan man them in a 4-piston.
Woody and thing, yeah. For real.
The whole of the Nissan man then go buy for under gears them.
To keep warm, yo. I know a normal temperature of the same, brethren.
Yeah, man.
Normal, and we in our tropical, we're not used to that, yo. We're
not used to that, yeah.
So.
For real. All right, peeps. We are almost on the wrap up pretty much. So if you have any last question for Chuku, go ahead, drop them right now. Before we go. Oh, Chuku, in the meantime, you know, I could see what I go and feel machine them, man. Meanwhile, the people them type up some question.
Machine them asleep, but I can give like a preview still, you know?
Yes, man. Yeah, man. I know the fans them would appreciate it too.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah, so, but you mentioned something a while ago with the all motor man, them, you know. Why, the all motor, gone down at 8 now, man. I have to big up Jamie.
Jamie
Marsh.
Yeah, man. I want to tell you, last year at the World Cup, I was actually at the finish line when he met in the accident. I saw the accident.
Yeah?
Yeah, man, I was right there.
Wow.
Yeah, man.
Boy, trust me. I mean, I was watching it live and, boy, man, I tell you, my heart moved, bro.
All right, now I go on a like a preview, you know. So.
The beast, them asleep.
That's how I machine.
All right.
So, this way everybody want to run down, you know?
Yes, sir. And JetBlue.
Time serious, and now we can't even go road and you have to stay on the exercise, you know?
Everything. Yeah, man, I tell you, bro. Yeah, man. So for peeps, it's been a while. You haven't seen JetBlue. You're seeing it up close and personal now. Yeah, man. Machine.
Yeah, we have one for machine in the Kedron. Wow. The fastest machine them on the island too.
Oh, you mean?
Yeah, man. Even if we out to sea with the jet ski, we have a record.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
You know, me realize one thing all racemen have in common, you know. That mindset of winning. They have to be fast.
Yep.
If it's even a bicycle.
Yeah, because it come naturally now. If you got a track this week and you run 10-2, next week you go and run 10-1, then you go and go 10-0 till you end up on 9. So
just like that.
Yeah, man. From here is a race man that I got.
Yeah.
From here,
Man, but I have to say much respect for the little tour, Chuku. I know the fans appreciate it too.
Nancy. I'm going to see you next week, Nancy. Then can't quarantine with Francie. Big up Mr. Coke, you know?
Yes, Yeah, man. Yes, Machine
help, man.
Yeah, man. How you mean?
You have to make, so I know some of the people them left on here never saw the front of them look like still, you know?
Only the back.
Yeah, I want to get Omar a little view of this, you know? Omar, you see it?
Hey, yeah, trouble in that Chuku.
You know more trouble here, brother.
Yeah, man. So for persons who just joining the live and you're asking some questions that have been answered earlier in the live. So we will be uploading, audio clip of this interview to our YouTube channel. All the interviews that we have done so far are on YouTube, so you can head on over and check them out. Yeah, man. Chuku.
Yes, boss.
Before we go on, I'm happy to do another plug for the sponsors. Big up the sponsors: Kenty Racing, Jamaica Race Drivers Club, WAP Performance, Boosting, Horsepower in a Bottle, Zidach Performance, and Massive Auto Parts. Yeah, man. So, yeah, man. Trust me. And if you just what Omar say, I'm really why you disappointed, Omar? Yeah, me have to fight. No, Omar, which night you coming on the live? Cause you have to go answer why you're disappointed. Yeah, but as Nantri say, we have to encourage everybody to stay safe, and the less you can do in public. All right, Omar is saying can't believe. Omar is saying can't believe you're coming.
But tell the people, let me know. They say this COVID thing serious. So I say everybody take it serious and the social distancing and stay home and do what I'm supposed to do. We can overcome this thing.
Straight.
And if we don't do that and take it serious, it will go drawn out long and whole heap of lives. You understand?
Trust me. The worst part? The worst part about this virus is, Chuku. You can have it and don't know you have it.
Exactly, and everybody shows symptoms.
You understand? And that is the scary part about it.
That's why everybody have to just stay home. I close my shop, My shop close. Make it work as them stay home, everybody stay home.
Yeah.
Less socializing, man, or none. Little or none.
Yeah.
We talk on the phone, that's it.
Yeah, man. And I want to tell the man them this. You see, when we're allowed to go back out in public, and you're bridging and you see him just give him elbow, no feel no way.
Yeah. It's a life-changing thing, Our lifestyle change right now,
Trust me.
And when we come back to reality and everything, hopefully come back soon.
Normal.
Hopefully come back to normal, yeah. It's a different lifestyle. Trust me.
Yeah.
It's going to be a different lifestyle.
Yeah, man. I tell you something. I don't go on the road unless I have to go on the road in a Chuku. And the worst part about it is you may have to go to several business places, and everywhere you go, you have to get your hand sanitizer or your alcohol, the spraying on your hand. So I tell you, when you reach home, your hands sticky.
Hello, I walk with my one, because here, a virgin were there, one of my virgin, him go up at the hardware and them spray something on the hand. And the next day, him clothes, him shirt burn out, like a peer bleach or something. I mess up with that. That not right. So my time you got to place them and the people them and mix up all kind of things.
So mix up.
Know. So me walk with my bag and spray my hand and I have alcohol in my van, use it.
Yeah. Yeah,
so
man.
Now
yeah,
we just cut off everywhere. I'm not going nowhere again.
Yeah, man. As me say, we have this platform where I guess most persons why you're still listening is because you're an art enthusiast or a fan of Chuku. And we just want to just encourage everybody, please, people, just take the precautions. Me long fi smell like a racing gas. Or like a rubber. Yeah, man, me long, trust me.
I have to pick up Kamal and my son upon here watch too, you know. I'm not the one with you now. I'm the mother and yeah, man. For the next one, I'm coming, you know.
Yeah? We say I can bust him for the machine.
Oh, yeah, so, man. But
you mean? You mean? Yeah, man. And all of the young enthusiasts tune in. You know, one day, your day will come.
Yep.
You know, all of us started off with aspirations of owning a car. And, you know, today, some of us it may not be our dream car, but we have a nice little machine.
Yep.
You know? Yeah, man. So, you don't know the thing go. Tomorrow we'll be going back to circuits. You know, we have to try balance out the thing. Circuit drag. So, tomorrow will be William Myers. We'll be talking with William Myers. And on Friday, we'll be talking to members of Rasbuilt. Well, that's if the whole lockdown thing don't affect them. We'll be talking to members of Rasbuilt. On Saturday, we'll be talking to Nicholas Barnes. Yeah, man, you don't know how the thing go. Right? Thanks, everybody, for tuning in night after night. We appreciate it. Any last word, Chuku? We'll give the last talk, you know.
Yo, big up all our sponsors. Big up 876 Streets. You don't know.
Money that I don't accept.